Hello, my name is Matt Leonard, and I'm the OEM sales manager for the commercial refrigeration business at Intermatic. I'm here today to introduce you to our new line of commercial refrigeration electronic controls, LAE by Intermatic. Over the course of the next 20 minutes, I'm going to tell you about our big idea for the market, our secret sauce and why we're successful, and our offer to you, the OEM, on enabling your success. First, a little about my background. I'm an electrical engineer from Northern Illinois University. I spent the first 10 years of my career working as a new product development engineer for consumer and appliance electronics. From there, I went into project management, managing new project development teams, and along the way became a certified project management professional. For the past 10 years, I've worked in sales and marketing, developing business for Honeywell and their line of commercial refrigeration controllers, where I grew overall sales from 0 to 2 million by 2016. I launched a new line of PLCs for Schneider Electric in their HVAC and refrigeration business segment, growing sales by 1 million in the first year. At GHSP, I incrementally grew their appliance controls business from 6 to 18 million by 2019. And LAE by Intermatic is my next big thing. LE Electric is headquartered in Aderzo, Italy, which is in the outskirts of Venice. They were founded in 1973 and have grown strategically over time only as needed, thus keeping overheads lower than most of our greedy competition, and their factory has a high degree of automation to stay very competitive. LAE specializes in temperature regulation controls for the commercial refrigeration, food service, and HVAC industries. They have a strong presence with many well-known OEMs throughout both US and Europe, and they're producing over 800,000 controllers annually. Their sales consist of Europe, North America, and China, where North America is approximately 37% of their overall sales, and they're growing 12 to 15% annually. Before we discuss our big idea, let's touch on the market forces driving the commercial refrigeration and food service industry today, from the economic, social, and technology influences at play. For the economic forces, it's about finding scalable solutions of the controller and HMI, from the simple to the complex, under a common controller platform. Then there are customized controls, with the OEMs wanting to differentiate their brand and features, with the flexibility to cover their breadth of applications, and having solutions launched quick to market at reasonable cost compared to off-the-shelf controls. And ideally, one supplier to cover both custom and off-the-shelf solutions for simplicity. You have control integration, which can greatly reduce costs by integrating components on board, such as relays and solid-state relays, as well as various I/O drivers, and the inverter power electronics for variable speed fans and variable speed compressors. And with IoT, the value proposition is increasing, while the cost of bringing solutions to market is ever decreasing. For the social forces, it's about regulation, sustainability, and energy efficiencies, which are all intertwined. With energy savings from variable speed fans and variable speed compressors, natural refrigerants such as propane and isobutane, advanced energy management features such as automatic lighting control, automatic nighttime setback, evaporator fans operating in the compressor off cycle, and smart defrost algorithms to only defrost when needed, also improving food quality. And energy reduction with LED lighting and ECM fans is now common in the market. For the ever-important relationships, OEMs expect more expertise, specialization, and superior service and support. For technology forces, it's about smartphoneification, where everything looks and feels like a smartphone, which has gained widespread acceptance and adoption, accessing more complex information in a smart and intuitive way. For split system controls, where panel mounts have been the market standard for many years, they offer greater flexibility of the HMIs, system integration of components, and greater I/O configuration with more space than the confined footprint of the panel mount controls. With IoT, it's about secure data and systems, being able to pick and choose which pieces of the system to bring to the table, being able to plug and play for field simplicity, and keeping up with the rapid pace of the evolving technology of the Internet of Things. Here's our big idea. The markets we're focusing on is commercial refrigeration and commercial food service, both cooling and heating applications. The needs of the market are for off-the-shelf controls for a variety of applications, designs, interfaces, features, and performance levels. In many instances, custom controls offer the best solution to fit the exact needs of the OEM, and OEMs are demanding higher levels of support and responsiveness. Supplier IoT expertise is required to guide the OEM in offering that value-added solution to your end customers, and ideally one supplier for simplification that can provide all of the above. In 2019, Intermatic formed a partnership with LAE Electric servicing North America, specializing in off-the-shelf controls with an emphasis in split systems. In a market dominated by panel mount controllers, we're seeing greater than 90% of our OEM customers in the US and Europe realize the benefits of split controllers for better fit to their application. And we're specialized at highly customized products, where greater than 70% of our customers have a semi to fully customized solution. And we offer a complement of IoT solutions, including the gateway, the cloud, the web server, and the phone apps, customized for the OEM. What we provide: one-stop shop for off-the-shelf, highly customized products and IoT solutions. We offer customized solutions that are quick to the market and at very reasonable prices compared to off-the-shelf products. And we're best in the industry, renowned for our expertise, support, and responsiveness. We're different. We're different than Dexel and Danfoss, who are packaging their controls with their compressor systems. We're focusing on split system controllers and customization. And then you have the Chinese suppliers who are competing on price, but lacking in full understanding of the full needs of the OEM, lacking in expertise, service, and quality. And the key points: we offer a variety of controls based on the application, features, designs, and cost targets. We offer a variety of HMIs, from the simple push-button LED all the way up to the more advanced TFT touchscreens. We're guiding you each step of the way, understanding your requirements, offering you multiple solutions, and supporting your application testing and production needs. In partnership with Intermatic, Intermatic is supporting the sales, the technical support, the customer service, and inventory management for North America. LAE is providing the engineering backbone and manufacturing center. LAE is on their second generation of the IoT platform, ready for deployment, highly secure, plug-and-play friendly, and offering customized solutions on the web server and apps so that they appear as your own. Let's talk about our secret sauce and what ingredients makes us successful in the marketplace today. LAE by Intermatic's value proposition to you, the OEM. Of the challenges facing you, it's about controls integration. From your brand, your aesthetics, ease of use of your system, cabinet design, features, performance levels, and Internet of Things applications. LAE offers a comprehensive lineup based on those applications, features, and cost targets. The majority of our customers are utilizing our split system controllers for their I/O features, higher capacity loads, HMI scalability, and overall design flexibility. We offer HMI options from the basic LED push button, capacitance touch controls, and touchscreens. We have a ready-to-go IoT platform with a high level of security, plug-and-play friendly, and branded for you, the OEM. Another challenge you may face is energy-efficient, reliable solutions for ECM motors, LED lighting, and variable speed compressors. LE controls come with a safety electric low voltage digital output capable of driving such loads. And lastly, it's about support for your engineering and production. We're committed to working with you each step of the way, starting with understanding your basic requirements, proposing multiple solutions, and supporting your application testing and production needs. The application LAE plays in are many, but all our designs are based around temperature regulation as the common thread. Some applications are primarily with our standard controls, such as self-contained refrigeration cases, food service heating and cooling applications, and wine cellars. We also have standard applications for remote cases, blast chillers, wine cellars, and cold rooms, but depending on your needs, these can be highly customized as well. Then there are plenty of applications such as ice makers, commercial cooking, and ice cream dispensers that are purely custom by nature. Let's talk about the basics our controllers are designed around. For compressors, we have direct drive capabilities on board, and we also have special outputs capable of driving external and solid-state relays for higher capacity loads. All our controls are compatible with natural refrigerants, such as R290. And then there are energy-efficient solutions with variable speed compressors and automatic nighttime setback mode. ECM evap fans have a high inrush current and can degrade relays very quickly. LAE controls has special provisions for driving such loads. We support compressor off-cycle evap fan control, allowing you to save an additional 2 to 4% in energy. And we have options for variable speed control. With defrost operations, we support off-cycle, electric heater, and hot gas reverse cycle applications. The defrost can be initiated manually through the keypad at a fixed time interval, auto-detected smart algorithms, or scheduled via real-time clock, or as part of a master-slave network to be synchronized with other cases. Other outputs include lights, which can be scheduled via a real-time clock, and they can also be used for high and low temperature alarm limits, or they can be assigned to a host of other auxiliary relay functions. And most of our controls have built-in buzzers. LAE's off-the-shelf offer consists of 3 primary categories: panel mount controllers, split system controllers, and the Internet of Things. Our panel mount controllers are all push-button types with LED displays, available in a variety of different display colors, and all have built-in communications for remote monitoring. We offer the AT1 and AT2, which are your basic refrigerator and freezer applications. The BR5 is a recent addition with a lot of advanced functionality and a panel mount footprint, with 4 relays, variable speed for both compressors and fans, and a real-time clock. Split system controllers offer the greatest flexibility in the design by having the controller located near the loads to minimize electrical wiring and the HMI, which can be remote mounted. Our lineup starts with the bit 25, which is similar to the AT2, only with higher capacity relays and a digital output for solid-state relay heaters, external relays, and even variable speed. The BD1 and BR1 are most comprehensive controllers, the difference between them being the real-time clock, with 5 higher capacity relay outputs, a digital output, and a full complement of HMI options. Our HMI options include a push-button LED display similar to the panel mount controller interface as the economical solution. Up to the next level, we have capacitance touch HMI. Then we have a high contrast LCD meant to be paired with a customized membrane for size, colors, key layout, and branding. For the higher end or more complex applications, perhaps a touchscreen HMI will fit the need. To link the controllers to the cloud, we offer a ready-to-deploy IoT solution with real-time status, which means that you know what's happening with your equipment 24/7, 365, with alarming, remote diagnostics, and predictive maintenance. Our solution is scalable from a single point to multiple points with multiple sites. You may already have pieces of the solution in place today, so we are offering to provide an IoT solution to wherever your gaps are, or even the entire solution. Our cost model is flexible based on the amount of data and the number of installations. Of the challenges facing the OEM today, it's about one size does not fit all. Commercial refrigeration applications are growing in complexity, and LAE is plugged into the industry, evolving with technology and available to guide you along the way. Each OEM is unique with its own brand, look, and features. And LAE has been a global leader with more than 30+ years experience in providing customized solutions, working with many of the most reputable OEMs in the world in the applications of commercial refrigeration, food service, and HVAC. Our customers recognize our unique competencies and know-how to provide custom controls, HMIs, capacitance touch, and Internet of Things. Commoditized solutions can certainly keep costs down, but they lack distinction and flexibility. At LAE, over 70% of our OEM solutions are semi to fully customized, and we have an on-staff industrial designer for custom aesthetics, GUI interface design, and simplification and ease of use. Here's an example of some of the customized solutions LAE is producing today. For Tralson, we're manufacturing a custom controller board utilizing our standard Cap Touch HMI. Marvell is a high-end residential under-counter and ice maker manufacturer, which LAE provides the custom controls and interface. True Manufacturing is utilizing a version of our BD1 controller customized with very specific features and outputs. We provide Innova, an Italian-based fan coil manufacturer, with custom Cap Touch interface and controls. For Precision Refrigeration, we provide our BD1 controller with a very custom version of our high-contrast LCD interface. For Williams Refrigeration, based in the UK and part of the Ali Group, we provide custom refrigeration controls on their professional cabinets and blast chillers. Iranex is a well-known blast chiller manufacturer from Italy, for which we provide our custom controls and touchscreens, and there are many more. LAE has in-house expertise for developing custom solutions per your exact requirements, with industrial, hardware, software, and mechanical engineering in our internal test labs. Our capabilities of industrial engineering include aesthetics, intuitive ease of use designs, touchscreens, and navigation systems. We have many years of providing HVAC and refrigeration solutions to the industry, including all types of I/O, power inverter electronics, HMIs, and communications. Our software capabilities include GUI, communications, and web-based design. And we design a variety of enclosures and housing with plastics and metal. We have an internal certified lab for speeding up the process of agency testing as well as application testing. With touchscreens becoming more accepted and prominent in today's applications, LAE offers a variety of solutions to the market, including TFT touchscreens from 4.3 to 10 inch, and resistive touch for lower cost solutions where pinch, zoom, and swipe features are not as important. Many of the OEMs have custom enclosures designed to mount precisely into their equipment. We have simulation tools to mimic the GUI on the PC before we ever deliver any hardware. And LAE has an industrial engineer on staff to help with touchscreen design, aesthetics, and navigation menus. Of the challenges facing the OEM, supplier support and responsiveness is a key element. With the time to bring new solutions to market, LAE is renowned in the industry for their technical competencies and rapid development processes. The challenge of getting the right level of support for the commercial, technical, and production needs. LAE, in partnership with Intermatic, is supporting their sales, technical support, customer service, and inventory management within North America. The challenge on the higher cost of customized solutions. LAE is very competitive based on their lower overheads and higher degree of factory automation. LAE has cultivated many long-term relationships in both the US and Europe for many decades. LAE has been working with many known and respected OEMs in Europe since the 1980s, and since 2005, LAE has been bringing solutions to the US market. Of the challenges facing the OEM, offering value-added IoT solutions is among them, especially in the security of the equipment and data without compromising the local network. LAE's IoT solution has the highest level of security, designed in from the start and segregated from other local site data. Then there's the challenge of having a limited budget while seeking an OEM personalized solution. You may already have existing pieces of the puzzle in place while needing assistance with others. The LAE IoT platform solution is ready for deployment and with customization available on the web server and apps. And you can choose our entire solution or pick which areas you need help in. The challenge of support in the field can be a major undertaking. Our solution was designed for ease of use, for the OEM and end user in mind, and is plug-and-play field friendly. Keeping up with the rapid paces of technology can be daunting. LAE has new applications and product development ongoing. LAE's Internet of Things Gateway has been out in the market since 2016 and has been very useful to further develop OEM requirements, progress through the viable use cases, and better define the overall value proposition, and yet address immediate OEM needs and offer solutions. On our latest generation design, the MQTT protocol has been adopted, which is a machine-to-machine protocol for these types of industry IoT field devices. Through an RS-45 controller network, the gateway collects data and transmits over a local Wi-Fi or cellular connection, utilizing readily available off-the-shelf cellular components. Here's how LAE by Intermatic will enable your success in the market. You'll get a long-term partner whose decades of industry experience, expertise, and unique know-how will review your applications and requirements to better make recommendations, identify improvements, and the possible opportunities. We're here to work with you on all phases, from concept through requirements, qualifications, and on into production. We have many long-standing OEM relationships greater than 10 and in some instances 30 years and have not lost a key account to date. We're a full-service control supplier with one-stop shop for standard products specializing in split system controllers, offering full customization and IoT solutions to fit your exact needs. In the roles we play, Intermatic has the lead on sales, customer service, quality, and application support, all based in Chicago, Illinois. We have our stocking warehouse in El Paso, Texas, which is less than 1 week delivery to anywhere in the U.S. LAE provides our engineering center of excellence and highly automated factory. From the OEM perspective, you provide a detailed account of your applications, current and future needs, with ballpark on cost targets for us to align the possibilities. You own the requirements, but we'll collaborate with you on the creation of them. The OEM owns the qualification and application testing rigors to put reliable products in the field, but we're there for our full support and expertise to help. And as long as you can provide us with some level of rolling forecast, we'll guarantee stock in our warehouse for just-in-time deliveries. You'll get a highly knowledgeable and technical sales team with an engineering background, experience in commercial refrigeration and food service markets, who understands your applications and is skilled at new product development launches. To enable your success, we'll be engaged in your business, adding real value, and we commit to getting back with you in less than 24 hours in any requests. Thank you for listening to our presentation. If you have any further questions or want to contact me on what LAE can do to enable your company's success, feel free to reach me direct at the information shown.